Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain how recruiters search for candidates on LinkedIn step by step based on how the platform works in 2026. Understanding this process helps you optimize your profile to appear in more recruiter searches. First, recruiters log into LinkedIn Recruiter or use advanced search on LinkedIn. They start by typing job titles or core keywords such as digital marketing manager, front-end developer, or data analyst. Next, they apply filters. Common filters include location, current company, past company, years of experience, skills, industry, education, and open to work status. Profiles that match more filters appear higher in search results. Recruiters then scan headlines first. Your headline is the strongest signal. It should clearly mention your job title, key skills, and specialization using natural keywords. After that, recruiters review the skills section. Skills are heavily used in search filters, so profiles with relevant and endorsed skills get more visibility. Next comes the experience section. Recruiters quickly scan job titles, companies, and keyword-rich descriptions to confirm relevance. Clear role descriptions help your profile rank and convert. Recruiters also check profile activity and freshness. Recently updated profiles, active users, and complete profiles tend to rank better. Finally, they review the About section to understand your expertise, achievements, and career focus. Profiles with clear positioning are more likely to get contacted. In short, recruiters search by keywords, filter by skills and experience, scan headlines and skills first, and contact profiles that look relevant, complete, and active. If you align your headline, skills, experience, and keywords with recruiter search behavior, your chances of being discovered increase significantly in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn optimization tips. Thanks for watching.